What is a compound cylinder? In a fixed cylindrical pressure vessel subjected to an internal pressure, the hoop stress is maximum at the inner surface and minimum at the outer surface. As you know, the pressure carrying capacity of a pressure vessel is limited by the maximum hoop stress. Thus, to improve the pressure carrying capacity of a thick cylinder, two or more cylinders are assembled one upon the other. This assembly is known as compound cylinder. Thus, when two or more cylinders are assembled one upon the other to improve pressure carrying capacity of an inner cylinder, then such an assembly is known as a compound cylinder. To understand how the pressure carrying capacity of an inner cylinder is improved, let us take an example of a War Parrott gun barrel. As you can see, the inner cylinder of the gun barrel is surrounded by an outer cylinder through the shrink-fitting process, in which the internal diameter of the outer cylinder is made slightly less than the outer diameter of the inner cylinder. This assembly enables the outer cylinder to provide some initial compression to the inner cylinder, and this ultimately improves the pressure carrying capacity of the inner cylinder of the gun barrel. Related terms are the Lehm's equation and shrink fitting. Question. Remember keywords. Related terms are remember diagram, remember definition,